government regrets to announce the demise of the following persons in the tragic crash. Dr. Edward Kofi Omane Boamah.
Chief of Staff Julius Debrah, he just met with the press, less than 2 minutes press conference, and Ebusian for Asemaba pa. Dr. Omane Boamah, I am Minister of Defense. Is no more. He's no more. Is no more. And onunkwa Honorable Ibrahim Murtala. On say omudinu I confuse pa, but we Murtala Mohammed. And also, he's gone. He's gone. The vice chairman of the NDC. Vice chairman of the NDC, deputy acting national security coordinator. On also count over almost 6 people, 6 people who are government officials and then 2 servicemen, right? In all, I hear 8 people. Very sad. I don't remember the last time we've heard of a helicopter crash or even plane crash in Ghana. We there wow MPP side of jubilate and so Debbie. These are people who are serving the country. They are men who have become martyrs. And essence is easy. You don't even know in times like this. You don't even know what to say any longer because it's sad. It's sad. Very, 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 very sad and unfortunate. Our prayers are with the family. Our prayers are with the family of all these people. Our prayers are with the presidency. It is not easy to lose your appointees because sometimes you feel like I'm the one who sent them here. If I had not sent them, would they go and you see? So the president, His Excellency John Omane Mohammed, our condolences to you. Please be strong. Please be strong. May God be your comfort. And all who are affected, all their colleagues all over, please be strong. May God be your comfort.
Minister for Defense. Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Murtala Mohammed, MP, Minister for Environment, Science and Technology. Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Lemonad, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator and former Minister for Food and Agriculture. Dr. Samuel Sapon, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress, and Mr. Samuel Abuaji, a former parliamentary candidate. Squadron Leader Peter Bafemi Anala, Flying Officer Manin Chum Ampedu, and Sergeant Ernest Ado Mensah. The President and government extends our condolences and sympathies to the families of our comrades and the servicemen who died in service to the country. All flags are to fly at half-mast until further notice. Thank you.
Right. So the military high command has to join the press briefing before it can be put out live.
Right.
So this is where we are with the story. So there's it's a major development. It's a major development. It is a major development.
Indeed. And from what it's not looking good. If you go on social media, the Ashanti Regional Minister, whom we talk of in a few moments ago, has made a post. All he says is Black Wednesday, and he puts 3 broken hearts emojis under it. And this is someone who left an event, announced that he had to leave as a result of an emergency.
Yeah.
And subsequently makes such a post. And with all we are hearing, it's not looking good.
Yeah.
So, like we said, our correspondent has alerted us to the fact that military officials from the High Command are trooping in to the Jubilee House now,
yes,
all with the aim of assisting in that press briefing.
Yeah.
And so we are waiting for that. Once they brief the communications minister on exact, and like Bernard said, it is their aircraft, it is their property, so they need to give a proper account on same before the government's communications minister can also brief the rest of us on what has actually happened. So please bear with us. We are working. Wait,
heavily forested. And you see that in your shot there, right? And this is the area in question in your shot. This is Adansi Sikaman.
The claim is that this is the exact spot the aircraft may have come down.
Okay, and I just want to show you in this place in question. This is the area here in question. This is Adansi Sikaman area. That is the exact area where the plane may have crashed in the area. And we are zooming in for you. So you see the heavily forested area around it, but then you have this small patch of settlements, a bit dispersed in the middle of the forest. And this area may be the area where the plane, the helicopter may have crashed today. And Elton, you know this area. You know this general area, right?
You can say that.
You're not surprised that it's this heavily forested, right?
It is, and it's clearly a mining area as well. So you see a small community in the middle of a forest. That's at least according to Google Maps. That's what we are seeing. And even actually the video in circulation, you will see that it actually fell into a forest. I mean, it came down with some trees as well, and then caught fire in the process. So the entire enclave is Adansi Akufum. But the exact spot, according to the information we are getting, is Adansi.
This is the area here that you're looking at from this Google Earth map. And the thing about it is, because it's heavily forested areas aren't good for helicopters.
No.
Because of the propellers. And so if a helicopter is going down and it's going down in a heavily forested area, it often doesn't end well. But
the thing is also that maybe they will provide more clarity on what may have happened. Because this is quite far from where the program took place. Quite far, at least about 45 minutes to an hour drive from this place to Obuasi Township. So unless maybe a technical or a mechanical fault could be attributed to it, it will be difficult to understand why it came down at this particular area, which is about an hour drive from Obuasi. I mean, no activity happening here. And yet this is the spot where the accident is.
What you see is a lot of people there holding their phones and taking photos. And the thing that we're saying when this first broke is that if this really happened, and I was making that point to you, in today's age, we should see videos and pictures very quickly. But it took quite some time to see the first pictures coming out. And now we understand when we look at the Google Earth map why this is the case, because it was heavily forested. To get to the scene of the crash itself will take time. And it's also very possible that the quality of your network, the cell towers in the area, will be difficult in establishing network coverage in the area. So even if you get to the site and you film anything, sending it back on WhatsApp will be difficult. So it took quite some time, about an hour or two, before we started seeing the first pictures emerge from our sister station, Adom, sending us that. But this is the area we are looking at, the Sikaman area in the Obuasi Ashanti regional enclave where this plane, helicopter may have gone down.
But like I said earlier on, I mean, there are so many questions that we want answers to. I mean,
cell towers in the area will be difficult in establishing network coverage in the area. So even if you get to the site and you film anything, sending it back on WhatsApp will be difficult. So it took quite some time, about an hour or two, before we started seeing the first pictures emerge from our sister station, Adom, sending us that. But this is the area we are looking at, the Sikaman area in the Obuasi Ashanti regional enclave where this plane, helicopter may have gone down.
But like I said earlier on, I mean, there are so many questions that we want answers to. I mean,